Ready to ditch the physical card and tap your way around Japan with just your Android phone? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set up a Suica card on your Android device, making navigating public transport and paying for goods a breeze. First things first, we need to ensure your phone has NFC or near-field communication enabled. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access your quick settings panel. Look for the NFC icon, which usually resembles an, and tap it to turn it on. This allows your phone to communicate with Suica readers. Now head over to the Google Play Store. Search for Mobile Suica. Look for the official app. It's usually red and has the Japanese characters for Suica on the icon. Tap Install. Once downloaded, open the app. Now this part can be a little tricky if you don't read Japanese. The app interface will initially be in Japanese. You will be prompted to create a new Suica or transfer an existing one. Create to start a new Suica. The app's registration process will likely ask you for a Japanese phone number, address, and potentially credit card details. After the process is complete, you're all set. You can now easily top up your Suica card through the app and use your phone to easily pay for things. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy the convenience of mobile payments in Japan. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful travel tips.